campers, welcome back. Today we are going to make a paper airplane launcher. So I've made a couple different types of airplanes and I'm going to show you how to make each one. There's two different versions so you can kind of decide which one flies better. Make the paper clip that is going to be used to launch our airplanes. So I've unfolded my paper clip so that I have one big loop and one small loop. I'm going to take the small loop and hook it into the airplane in that hole that I just made, and then lay the big loop like that so that the big loop is kind of hooking down, because that's what's going to launch your airplane. And then you want to tape it to secure it. And I've already done that same thing on this airplane, so it's ready to go too. So now you're going to take your airplane launcher. You can make this with any sort of piece of wood and a couple of nails. I chose to use a tree cookie. So I just stuck 2 nails into my tree cookie apart so that they have a little bit of tension on the rubber band, but not a lot, because you're going to pull it back and that's what's going to make your tension. And then you hook your airplane on. Make sure you hook it onto both ends of your rubber band or it doesn't fly as well. And then launch it. And you can launch both different types of your airplane to see which one flies farther. And you can adjust the angle that you're launching it with your hand. All right, I hope you guys have fun flying your airplanes.